take a look at this. Now take a look at this. Which one will you prefer when your analyst wants to present reports to you? I will most definitely prefer this. However, many businesses still manage their finances using this method. It might even interest you to know that some either do not have any financial structure in place, or they still use the good old manual method of bookkeeping and filing. Now in this video is meant to show you how data, well, in this case, financial record, using the right tools can help you make the right decisions regarding the finances of your company. Let's head over to my computer screen. Let me show you how. Alright, so welcome to this demonstration of data analysis using Power BI. The last time I did a video, it was using Excel. And in this case, in this video, I want to show you how to use Power BI to also analyze data. In this case, this is now financial analysis and simulation. That's what we're going to do. So I am not going to show you how the dashboard was created because it's going to take a long time. But my interest is to show you how you can use this kind of dashboard to make informed decisions, financial decisions. So you can see that here we have revenue and margin analysis. Here we have income statement, and here we have the financial simulator. So I'm going to be brief with explaining each of these three sections. So here you can see operational revenue, you can see the gross margin, and you can see the margin percentage. Now this is for 1 year, all right? And if you look at this portion of the dashboard, you can see that we have the best month, the best operational revenue month, the best month of sales is in November, and here is also November, but the gross margin percentage, the best month is in January, all right? So you can see the amount that was realized in this month, amount here, and also the percentage for here. Now you can decide to change anything here, or you can decide to take a look at this data to be able to understand more in details what you want to find out. So for anything you click, let's say you want to look at this supplier, you can see that this is the revenue gotten from this supplier, the product is supplied, and this is the gross margin. This is the gross margin percentage. So you can see even these color codes helps you to understand which ones are giving you better gross margin, even though you're making higher sales, but which one is giving you higher gross margin. So Kappa Drinks, for instance, make revenue of 878,000, but the gross margin is 56.4%. Gross margin percentage actually is 56.4%. But Two Brothers made a revenue of 5 million plus, but the gross margin is 37.2. So you can see the differences. If you look at revenue by team and category, you can see retail, you can see wholesale, you can see online. So you can see that retail somehow is having a higher sales. So if you want to check on any of these things, all you need to do is to click on any of them, and you can see that the whole data changes. All right. Okay. So now let's look at the income statement. Now you can see the income statement. You can see all the values that are here. You can see revenue, you can see cost, you can see expenses, you can see operating income, and you can see percentage of operating income. So you can also see how the whole income is arranged in this waterfall. All right. So you can also see the various tables, the gross revenue, the cost of sales, everything, all the account details that are here. So your accountant will also be in a better position to give you better explanation on all this to be able to understand it better. So if you click on any of this, it's going to bring a drop down, and you can see how your operational revenue, each of these, how they perform. Operational revenue is going up, cost of sales down, and so on and so forth. So this gives you a clear idea and understanding of how the data will perform, instead of looking at it in an Excel sheet. Because if you look at the data in Excel sheet, everything is numbers, but you'll not be able to visualize and understand how this numbers are affecting your business. So let's look at the last portion, which is the financial simulator. Now, I love this because here it gives you like a prediction on what if I do this, what will be the result. All right, so if you look at this, you see that it said, what if we change the quantity of items by, now you see that this is 0%. If I drag this slide by 1 like this, by 5%, you can see that here, you look at here, you see that this place is showing red, yellow. That means that there is no effect. But when I now drag it, you can see that it has changed. This means that it's going to bring 9.2% profit for the company. Similarly, if I change the unit price by, let's say, 10%, what will happen to my business? It's going to bring 56.13% of income, all right? And this is the revenue and everything, other values. Now, what if we change the product cost? Let's say it goes negative, we reduce the product cost by 10%. What happens? We are still having 83% profit. And then what if we increase the expenses, probably different expenses by 20%? Are we having profit or are we at loss? We are still in profit. All right. So these are the things that helps you to understand how your business will perform if you carry out some specific actions. Now, what if we push this back? Let's say this is negative and this is also negative. What will happen? Okay, so by making these changes, you can see that when you push these things to negative, and even though this one is positive and this is positive, you are having negative 86.01% income. That means you are making a loss. So this helps you to understand your financial, the finance of your company and be able to make the right financial decisions. So this is just a sample of how data analysis can help to inform your decision in making the right decisions for your business. I hope that with this, you'll be able to understand and to appreciate that data is very important for your business. So try and